Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video. And
here's the
first thing.
Well, it's already open.
Most of them are already open, but we're going to be showing you them. Baseball mascot bingo.
We'll start.
So we're going to open it. Here are all the things inside. They have bingo boards with all the mascots. They have a spinner. Then for your things, you have this to mark it.
Here's the two.
Here are all of the things. They have AL and NL. Here are all the things. So they have.
We're not going to be playing them, guys.
Yeah, we're not going to be playing them, but we do have some books. We'll be reading the first page. We have this. Fred Bird. Yeah, we are Cardinals fans.
Yeah.
We're from St. Louis.
Yeah, so that's what
Those. That.
And the other side, Cardinals.
Fred Bird. Cardinals. Hear that? Let me hear that in the comments. Savvy.
Guys, sorry that was
Sorry. Savvy, you can't touch the box.
Why was it? Oh,
Yes, we did.
My feet are burning there.
Sorry for the technical difficulties. You gotta put it back up. Somebody touched it. Okay, last one. Two more. These and this.
No, Fred Bird.
This Fred Bird. Fred Bird. And this. Okay, next thing. We're gonna go grab the next thing.
It just bounced back. Sorry, that was an accident.
Next thing. We're gonna make parts. Next thing, an underrated board game. People probably have never heard of it. Sling Puck.
I played it. It's cool.
You have this board, and you have these pucks.
So your job is
your job
is to make it
to go like this. Your job is to make it through here and onto your opponent's side. You each have 5 discs, and you if you have all of them on your side, you lose. Next thing. I'll grab the bucket.
We don't get it right.
Next thing is a jigsaw puzzle of Elf. We'll show you all like the pieces. That's what it looks like.
It's unopened, but
Look at all these. This is how much piece it is.
There's 1,000 of it.
Yeah, 1,000 pieces. Next thing.
The books.
The books.
Okay, first page.
To all my hockey guys, we've got, and girls, Arizona Coyotes, I think I said that right, are the New Jersey Devils. We're Blues fans. Actually, I'm an Avalanche fan. The first page of Devils, Jersey. Introduction. The New Jersey Devils franchise I'm just going to skip that word. Began in 1982 when the team moved from Denver, Colorado to East Rutherford, New Jersey. Former known as the Colorado Rockies Devils were sold to Mick Mullen, who prominent politically moved them east. On October 5th, 1982, Don Lever scored the first goal in team history against the Pittsburgh Penguins at the Brendan Byrne Arena. Hope I said that right. Although that first game ended in a tie, the Devils did plenty of losing that season, scoring just 230 goals, eventually finishing in last place. That's Devils. Next, Arizona Coyotes.
You'll probably like this team if you live in Arizona. By the way, guys, we'll make like part 2, part 3.
Every 6-7 minutes. 6, 7. The organizers of the Arizona Coyotes go way back in 1972, when the franchise was known as the Winnipeg Jets. There is another Winnipeg Jets, by the way. In the 1996 season, the Jets moved to Phoenix, Arizona, where they renamed and rebranded as the Phoenix Coyotes, the team had successfully almost immediately making it to the playoffs during its first 4 seasons in the desert.
Mason, why?
Spider-Man goes crazy!
When we
Spider-Man goes crazy!
behind the scenes, you were just going like.
Rough years from 2003 to 2009, they made it back to the
I want smoothies.
They made it back to the playoffs in 2010, 2011, and 2012 behind a talented group of young players. Those are the 2 books. Parker, we gotta do this something else. Next, 2 more puzzles.
We're just gonna showcase what's inside.
Yeah. So we have, this is gonna be last thing until part 2. So we have Cardinals St. Louis puzzle. And inside we have, it's 500 pieces.
It's not.
This is what it all looks like.
Well, there's still
Yeah,
some
some.
pieces.
So that's the Cardinals one. Here's the cover, what it's look like.
I'll open up the dinosaur.
The dinosaur one, hold on, show them what it looks like so they know what it should look like. This is what it looks like. 500 pieces, and here's what it looks like. How much pieces.
Okay, guys.
That's part 1 of unboxing. See you part 2.